How to remove water from camera lens. So if you want to remove water from your camera lens, then what you need to do is you need to simply take a jar or take a container. And once you've taken, you need to add rice to that container. Once you've added the rice, you need to insert, or you need to simply keep your phone on that rice bag or on that container and close the lid and just wait for a few hours or just wait for a whole day. But before putting your phone into that rice bag or rice container, you just need to make sure that you have closed the holes on the bottom of your phone, like the speaker, the charger, or all of that. You will have all of that holes, right? So you just need to simply put a tape on it, and once you've added the tape, you need to put your phone in that rice bag or rice container and just leave it for 12 hours or for a whole day, and the next day your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can remove water from your camera lens. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.